Jallianwala Bagh, this is the next stop that I'm going to visit. You can see Sevadas in blue clothing. On the left side is the place where you can deposit your shoes, get a token for free, because inside the Golden Temple, shoes are not allowed. So even the outside structure is quite beautiful. You can see a lot of bird flying, taking circles and coming back. On the right side, there are students probably waiting for the teachers to allow them to go inside. So you have to wash your leg before you get inside. Your hair has to be covered. So if you don't have anything to cover your hair, you can get it outside the temple itself. A lot of people from all over the world come to the Golden Temple every year. In fact, every day and every time. It is open at night also. It's open 24 into 7. So I'm coming here after a very, very long time. This is a place where you will find peace. And in the lake that you can see in front, there are a lot of fish. These two are welcoming us for the trip. Hopefully it will be a good one. See a lot of foreigners taking selfies. A lot of people will be taking photos and all. That's very common. And the Sevadars too. Indians, foreigners, everybody is coming to visit the place. There are a lot of fishes in the lake. So, surrounded by the lake, there are small places where people can come and take their bath, change their clothes. So, on the right side, it is a bathing place for men. फिर उसके थोड़ा आगे और जाके it is for the women, that is covered by a structure. A lot of fishes are there. अभी इधर एक बच्चा है, got too excited and almost caught the fish. His mother is scolding him. So this fish almost came halfway in the air. Others followed. You can maybe touch them. I don't think they will panic. Quite used to the people. So you can just go and sit anywhere. There's no restriction. It is a very peaceful place. Maybe you can do meditation or worshipping also. So this is the place from where you enter inside the Harmandir Sahib. यहाँ पे on the right side you can see a Sevadar asking a tourist to fold his leg and sit, because you should not point your feet towards the temple. It should be folded back. There are a lot of fishes in the lake. So this is a time lapse, how the lighting will light up when the sun is setting down. अभी almost sunset हो चुका है and a lot of lighting is look beautiful. I couldn't stay for the night because I had to go for my friend's wedding and The next day also I had to catch a flight. But the place is open 24/7, and at any point of time if you go, there will be a lot of people over there. Langar chal raha hoga. People will be meditating, taking pictures, worshipping. So now I just went outside, wore my shoes. This is the outside of Golden Temple. This also looks quite beautiful. GoPro camera has some problem with the low light imaging, so look much better than this. This was a fountain. People were sitting over here, taking selfies, photos. So after this, I went to my friend's wedding. I mean, that's why I came all the way to Amritsar for to attend my friend's wedding. तो ये एक बारात जा रही है on the streets of अमृतसर, और ये जो बारात है that doesn't belong to my friend, just a random one I captured during my visit.